Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nokia G11 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is related to the security category of settings, and it's about the fact that the system allows you to set your fingerprint as a screen lock method. So let's go ahead and enroll it. In order to do that, you gotta open up the settings, go for the security category of them, and at the device security section, just tap on the fingerprint. In prior of actually setting up any biometrics, should it be finger or face, we will be required to get ourselves some backup unlock method as well from the list of standard pattern, PIN or password, or if you have already set it up in prior of actually launching some biometrics, this step you can skip it. So here I'll go for the pattern as my backup lock screen method, enroll the pattern that I would like to use, then confirm it. Here we'll decide whether what will be the notification content that is going to be shown. I'll just leave it at show all notifications. And we can start enrolling the fingerprint. So the sensor is located on the side of the frame of your smartphone, right on the power button. So in order to enroll and add your fingerprint, just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate the finger each time you lay it onto the scanner, so the entire surface of it will be successfully scanned. I'll lift the phone a little bit, so in order to make this process easier for me. It might get hard sometimes, so take your time, do not rush. If this particular lay does not get through, you just try once again. And once the full circle turns blue, that means that we have successfully enrolled the entire surface of our fingerprint, and we can start unlocking with our phone with it. So let's try it out. I've locked the phone, and it gets unlocked with my finger with no issues. The second tip is also related to the security biometrics, and it's the fact that you can enroll not only your fingerprint, but also the face as well. So let's go to the face unlock section, enter the pattern. Here, tap on the setup face unlock, start. All that you gotta do in order to set your face is to scan it, and by putting it at this circle. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Already, so my face has been successfully scanned. As you could see, it does not take a lot of time. So let's test the face unlock as well. As you can see, once I align my face with the selfie camera of this device, my screen gets successfully unlocked. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the third tip, which is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate of this device. In order to do that, open up the settings again, go to the display category, and here you'll see the screen refresh rate option. If it is not present right here, just expand the advanced display settings, or should I say expand advanced display options. Here, tap on the screen refresh rate section. And here basically we have two options to choose from, standard and adaptive. While at standard it will get us 60 Hz of a screen refresh rate and longer and more durable battery health. Or if you would like to get some better motion and animation smoothness and overall visual appearance of our interface, we can go to the adaptive mode, which once activated will switch between 60 Hz and 90 Hz in accordance with the current health of the battery. So if your battery health is sufficient, it will upgrade the screen refresh rate up to 90 Hz. So that's pretty much it. Here at the top part of the screen refresh rate page, you'll see these two previews that very visually show that what is basically the difference between these two modes, 60 Hz and 90 Hz. So you'll understand, how does the 90 Hz or respectively 60 Hz as per the screen refresh rate look like exactly. The next setting is AOD, or always on display, and how you can enable it on this device. You gotta also go to the display category of settings, go to the advanced options, and here scroll this page all the way down until you find yourself looking at the lock screen setting, lock screen options. Tap on them. And here, all that you gotta do in order for the always on display to be activated is to turn on always show time and info switch. So once it is disabled, nothing is shown at the lock screen while our phone is completely locked. But once we enable the switch, we'll see that even once our screen is completely turned off, it will show some brief vital information like time, date, recent notifications list, and the current battery health as well. Alrighty, so let's move to the 5/5 and final tip. It's a very small and quick tip. Basically, in it, I'll show how you can rename your device. In order to do that, simply go to the settings, look for the About Phone section that is located at the very bottom of the settings page, tap on it, and here you see at the very top the device name category. Here you can type in whatever, for example, hard reset. And once the device name has been changed, that will ultimately mean that that is exactly the name under which, the exact alias under which your phone will be seen by other devices that will be in the same network with it. Should it be the Wi-Fi network, cellular network, or Bluetooth, or any other network that is available to it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.